Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking dahlias. They're so fabulous. But how do you know when they're fresh? How do you choose? Their faces are beautiful, but that's not what you look at. You want to look at the back. An older dahlia has all the petals wrapped around. A newer dahlia, you can see the green sepals. See the difference? Even on this type, this is older. The petals are starting to reflex back. This is newer. The petals are very flat. So the more flat or forward, the fresher. So you want to look at the face for the color and any damage, but it's the back that you want to pay attention to when choosing for freshness. Now you know how the pros do it.